Good morning, children. Welcome back to Lucida handwriting class. So in the last class, I gave you some homework to practice with the strokes. So I hope that you all have practiced and you have enjoyed it. And today, let us start with Lucida small letters. Okay? In this video, let us learn Lucida small letters A to Z. So before going to learn the small letters, we have to learn the stroke. Okay, we have to learn the stroke which is related to the small letters. Okay, here I will show you how to practice the strokes for all these small letters A to Z. Okay, all of you look here. Already in the previous class, I explained you how to do it. Look, we should have the curve. Okay, because it comes in almost many of the letters in the small letter, so you have to practice this one. And the next one, the same curve to different direction like this. Look here how I am doing. In this way, you have to practice. And next we have those strokes. And next we have then we have and then we have the stroke which is slant to left side. Then another stroke which is slant to right side. Can you see? So all these you have to practice to start learning small alphabets, small letters A to Z. And next we have okay, so first you have to practice one page, all these strokes. All these strokes you have to practice, total a page. Then you have to practice this. Now shall we get into this? Okay, look, how do I write it? You have to always keep the rule of the lines. There are 4 lines. In the previous class I told you, look here, small a, it touches only the central 2 lines. Whereas small b, it touches the first 3 lines. Small c and a and e. Then I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. They are all touching only the central lines. Whereas small f touches all the 4 lines. Then small b, D, H, K, L, T. It touches the first 3 lines. So you should always keep in mind, you should not write, for example, you can't write any letter like this. This is wrong. Why? Because the letter doesn't touch any lines. So the purpose of these 4 lines are to make sure that we write them maintaining the rules of the lines, maintaining the rules of the line. So when you are writing small a, we have to take the first stroke here, then take the next stroke. So we have the small a. It touches the central lines. Okay, now let us start. You make sure that you always see that how do I write it. Okay, let us enjoy the learning. So the first stroke and second one, small a. Okay, now let us take once again, I'll teach you small a. Look here, you have to take the curve and the other stroke you join, we get small a. Once again, okay, we get small a. Now let us take small b. Which stroke we have to take? This one. First we have to take this one, then we have to join this one. Small b. Look here. First we take this stroke and then this curve. We get small b. Once again. So the more you practice, the better your handwriting will become. Okay. Now let us take small c. Same. It's nothing else just to take this curve. Look, we got small c. Once again, small c. Finally, small c. Now let us take small d. First we have to take this curve. And next we have to take this one. Small d. Once again. Look how easy it is. Once you become thorough with these strokes to learn small alphabet A to Z, it will be very easy for you to learn this. Finally, small d. Now let us take E. So it is similar, only to put a small curve inside, we get small e. First we can write like this, right? Then you put a small curve inside, we have small e. But when you practice, you should not do that. You have to start here, small e. Fine? Finally, small e. Next, we go to small f. Keep in mind the rule of the line. The small f in Lucida should touch all the 4 lines. Okay? Look. So this is the way you have to write small f. Once again, small f. So the curve is landing from right to left. Small f. Now let us take small g. Let us take small g. The same curve we take here. And you have to join this. We get small g. Once again, small g. So take this curve and connect with this stroke, then we get small g. Now let us take h, the same, the first stroke here, and then second one we have to take this one. Small h. Small h. You take this stroke, connect with this one, we get small h. So dear children, to this video, let us learn alphabets A to H. And before starting learning this, we have to practice these strokes. Once you become thorough with these strokes, it will be very easy for you in your learning. Okay? Now in the next version, next class, I will teach you how to practice it in your 4-line book. Thank you children.